Hi, today is day 23, and we are going to go into the Creator Studio. This is a really cool tool that Kajabi has that lets you repurpose your existing content and use it for lots of things: social media posts, blog articles, emails. You can even use the Creator Studio to develop or to create closed captions, SRT files for your course videos. So let's just jump in and take a look. Here from the dashboard, we click on Creator Studio. And as this is our first time, we create our first project. You've got some options on how you're going to put your file in. So I'm going to take an existing file from my recent file list, site tour, and let's get started. Yep, this is the one I want, so I hit continue. Now I get to choose what type of content I want to create. I can get a title, a description, SRT file, or a transcript, and you can just click whatever you want. And I'm going to click these, and then I think maybe, no, I don't want any social media text. Actually, I'd like some hashtags. And how about a new course email? That sounds good. I don't want to do any blog stuff. I should also say that you can come back to this area once you've done this and choose all of these things again if you realize that you want something that you didn't choose. Just going to check one more thing here. And I'm going to go for a video clip as well. There it is. Create. All right, so depending on how big your file is, it takes a little bit of time, and then you get to this. We're processing your video. It could take up to 20% of your video's length. You'll receive an email when it's done. So I'm just going to wait here, pause the video, and we can get back together once this is finished. Okay, so with my video ready, I can click into the project and I see all of the things that I asked for. And you can click on these to get that material. But the most interesting part about the Creator Studio is right here, to clip the video. And what this lets you do is choose from over here what you want. And I'm not going to pay too much attention to this. I'm just going to click a few things. And you can see that over here, it's building into a highlight video. And it's letting me know how long it is, and it's clipping it all together. And let's just preview that. So that's pretty cool. And if you need to change something, you just click over here to unselect it. If you want to make recommendations, you can do something like this, and the AI can find key moments for you. And it's pretty nifty. So with this platform, it's just really easy to click on a few key sentences, make a 34-second video, pulling out this little bit, and have that ready to be shared for a YouTube short or an Instagram reel or for TikTok, and then clear that all and make some more. So you can pull out whatever pieces you want, and it just stitches together these really cool videos. All right, so I've got some key moments here that the AI created, and I'm just going to hit save and close. And now they're creating a clip. And once that's ready, I will get an email. Here it is right here. Now, if I need to generate some more content other than these, I can click here and I can get back to all of this. You get to do this as much as you want for this one project. Depending on what plan you're in, you may only have one project per month. But with that one project, that one video uploaded, you can create as much content from it as you want. And you can take this to the next level by clicking here and signing up for 4 videos per month or 30 videos per month. And you can also subscribe to Adobe Express to get even more design and editing abilities for these videos. So that's what I wanted to show you about the Creator Studio. It is a really awesome tool. And if you're into social media and specifically sharing video content like Reels or TikToks or YouTube Shorts, and you've got some great material in your course, This is a great way that you or someone on your team can go into Kajabi and generate some powerful content from things that you've already created. So you do have one free project per month, no matter what plan you're in. I encourage you to go in there and just check it out and see if this is something that you want to use. Anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you tomorrow for another day in Kajabi.